I don't have any wine, so I guess we have to get some wine.
You gotta get what? Why did you tell me that?
Well, I guess I can give a little sample of what's required. I know.
We can put this in the middle.
I'm saying.
Huh?
We gonna put this in the middle.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Y'all gonna eat some of these dumplings. And...
She said we'll be ready in 20 minutes, which is be the time it takes for y'all to walk up there.
Damn, it's gonna take us 20 minutes.
Jasmine.
Wow.
It's right across the street.
It would take me 20 minutes to walk from there to here. And that's just in the driveway.
You know, La Teresa, she be booking.
You ain't lying. Ain't nobody got thighs like that.
Let me
Should I
send you the
try to get more
reference.
wine? Publix is
Let me
closed.
send you the reference.
Publix doesn't close until 8. So you got 4 minutes.
You know what? Somebody's gonna get hurt.
I'm completely right. I'm trying to tuck my baby out.
I'm trying to get my stuff.
I know she's gonna be snoring tonight too.
She was snoring, friend.
Make sure I have my
Come on, baby girl.
key. So we are in the masking phase of our process. I'm going to investigate everybody's feelings about the process so far.
I feel like alphabet.
Ooh.
Yeah, one more, it's the wicked.
But mine's also right here in this T-zone. Because that's where I hold a lot of the stress. That's where I hold a lot of the oils and your frown lines.
But you know what? You know, Jasmine T. Jones, it is treat your motherfucking self Tuesday.
It sure is.
Motherfucking Tuesday.
It's about
it's about you, boo.
It's about relaxation.
So you know what? You relax, relate, and release.
I look worse than Carla.
This is why you don't have friends.
Do. La Teresa, how are you feeling about your experience?
Very luxurious. I feel it in my pulsating in my nose.
Yes.
It's awesome.
I'm feeling rosé. That's my mask for this evening.
I got my rosé.
Ooh, I'm about to have the rosé mask and the rosé drink, and I'm about to make this toner that's gonna brighten up everybody's complexion with some fresh turmeric, apple cider vinegar, and some fresh water. This is what's happening. You know what? You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw some lemon juice in that thing too.
That detox that shit. Alright, I'm not dying.
You're not dying.
Her pain tolerance is a lot higher than Trent's.
He probably was like dousing it. Oh, I feel it.
So it was ACV, lemon juice,
Yeah.
turmeric.
I feel.
Yep. And water. That's it. This looks horrid. I love it. I'm putting it on Facebook. I mean, Instagram.